Hello, my name is Fernando Guillén and I am the creator of Playcocola, and in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to start collecting video recordings from your playtesters using Playcocola. Let me show you how the easy process looks like. Once you are in your Playcocola account, let's create a playtesting session. You can add a title and a description. It will be visible for your playtesters. Optionally, you can upload an image of your game. It will make the invitation page more attractive. Once the play session is created, you can share the invitation link with your playtesters. Let's see now what your playtesters see. They open the invitation link. They see the Playcocola website, read and follow the instruction. In this case, we are asking our playtesters to open the Octopi game website. Accept the recording permissions and click on the Start Session button. They can start playing your game. Once the session is done, they click on the Finish Session button. And that is all for your playtester. Back to your Playcocola account, you can access all your play sessions, and from here to all the video recordings your playtesters have generated for you. You can review the play session, the timed comments, as well the final impressions feedback. And that is all for both you and your playtester. I hope you can see the potential of this and you think it might help you to make your game even better. Visit our landing page and ask me for a free early access invitation. I'll be happy to help you in anything I can with your play testing sessions. Thank you for your attention.